we're just getting started using some other equipment to see how we can live off the grid and still have me help you guys. So we have some new toys. Hi everyone, I have a little different backdrop today. So I am on the road and my husband and I are camping, which is what I do for especially my mental health, but also my wellness overall. I really feel a lot better out and about and in places that are really peaceful. And you can see my background here. This is very peaceful. You can see what's behind me. And I can give you a little tour. So we're just getting started using some other equipment to see how we can live off the grid and still have me help you guys. So we have some new toys. I have it's called I don't know what it's called. I'm not going to tell you what it's called till I know if it works, but it's basically something to boost Wi-Fi, cell phone boosters, so that, because I actually don't have cell phone service where I am right now, so I'm recording this. And then I either usually have to go up on a hill or actually find a visitor center or someplace to go to have Wi-Fi. So trying to figure out if there's a way I could do that remotely. So I have something called let's see, this is what mine is called. And we'll see if it works. I don't know. Don't buy it until I tell you if it's good. So, yeah, it's a mobile, and I'm very anti-EMF. So this is not that I want to have Wi-Fi all around me. It's just so that we can connect periodically and so that I can keep working and still do other things to balance my life. And so what else we have, which was the first time for today, was we ran I'll see if I can turn this around here so you can see. This is my juicer. Yes, I juiced, and we ran off a battery that we bought that is, let's see, this is hard for me to do, but we're trying to charge it on the sun, which is cloudy. It's a little generator. Let's see, right there. Right there. That's this little generator that we have that actually gets powered off of that. So, we do need sun to have that happen. But you can see our campers in the background. We also have solar panels on that. And those charge while we drive. So those are actually charged. And let's see, my husband looks like he's doing his exercises on his yoga mat. So we have all the things that we need here. And then you can see there is our car with our kayaks and our bikes, which we have to get off so that we can go out on the lake. And hopefully before it gets windy. I'll give you another tour of some other things. So let's see, my neighbors are pretty far away, but you can see a different kind of trailer over there. So they have a pull-out bed out of a trailer. Those are kind of nice if you're off-grid because you can be really cool when you don't have air conditioning. The bed in particular it's like almost like a tent. We had a pop-up camper for a long time, and like 15 years, I think. I grew up camping in a pop-up camper, and it was great. It was totally great. You just have to make sure that it stays dry, So a lot of what we're doing that is in homes that causes mold and mildew in homes is to do with lack of maintenance or lack of vigilance to notice that something's going wrong, and then you kind of see, oh, that might be a problem, and then before you know it, months have gone by, and the problem that was really little to begin with has gotten really big. And the same thing happens in trailers. If they have a sink, they have water, they have the potential for a flood or a leak. And so it's always balancing the luxuries and the comforts that we have in life of having running water and then also being able to travel. But even in our homes, having running water and heat and cooling, and then but having to actually do work related to that in terms of maintenance. So let's see, that's an interesting trailer there. There's another one. Let's see, that's the other way. Way over there is another one that goes on the back of a pickup truck. That's one of those. That is the bathroom. It's vault toilets here. They're really good. I'm in southeastern Wyoming. And then let's see what else I can show you. Oh, and my neighbors to the south are way over there. And they're in tents. They have a great spot. And although this campsite could have tents pretty easily. Ooh, I just had a hummingbird right by me. I don't think you saw it on my video. I might like the apples that I just juiced. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on the road. It's almost easier for me to make videos when I'm on the road because, quite frankly, I'm relaxed and I'm not on my computer all the time checking email, even though I miss a lot of emails, and I apologize for that. But I am doing my best to stay on top of everything and help you guys out. And so we'll see if all this works. If I'm able to post this or get it to my assistant so that she can post it, then you're going to know that I have ways to connect and still be on the road and still work with my team and make sure that there's quality information out there for everybody out there to recover their health and conquer the scourge of water damage and mold. So check out my website, avoidingmold.com, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. For more free information on safe building, avoiding mold, and water damage, visit avoidingmold.com.